Please, sit down. Stay. Stay. Okay, let's review our house rules on barking by Google. Rule number 1. No barking to Papa. No barking to Papa. You say, yes, Mommy. Yes, Mommy. Good girl. Again, rule number 2. No barking to Kuya Joshua. No barking to Kuya Joshua. You say, yes, Mommy. Yes, Mommy. Good girl. Good. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Rule number 3. No barking to Lula.